So my name's Ben Anthony, and I'm the Managing Director of Anthony Innovations. We're an Australian-based company, and we're investing in Vietnam for our production.
What was compelling about Hung Yen province that made you decide to set up in Hung Yen?
Well, we thought that the location was well situated between Haiphong Port and Hanoi, and also had very good access to infrastructure, and it's certainly a happening place with lots of growth and lots of available property, and Hung Yen really stood out.
Are there any elements in our design that you think will benefit your operation or are already benefiting your operation?
Look, I think the LEED certification is a great foundation to start from, and then some of the other services that we're working through at the moment, clean water supply, or drinking water supply, panels on the roof with access to that. These are all important things for us. We like to run a sustainable business. We have compliance matters we need to deal with back in Australia, and this is the future. Everybody wants to know what impact you're having on the environment and what you're doing to protect it. So I feel like there's a good foundation here for us to be able to have a low carbon footprint.
Yeah.
And working in with a site that can complement what we're trying to do in our operation, brings it all together.
What are the innovations that Anthony Innovations is bringing to Vietnam, in particular into Hung Yen?
Well, we've been designing our own robotically automated assembly machines, and we are looking to bring skilled jobs into Hung Yen province, not just any job, high skilled jobs with modern technology, and we think that we can be a great employer bringing that kind of technology into the area.
Yeah, that's very interesting. Yeah. I've also noticed that Hung Yen has a university that is also involved in robotics as well. We're taking in the next Robicon event.
Yeah.
What is the reason for you to actually apply robotics in your production?
The reason being is that traditional automation processes are generally very highly specific to a particular product. So you need a lot of volume in order to automate and get the best out of that solution. So coming from a small country like Australia, our market requires a diverse range of products, and automating that's always been a challenge. But robotics technology enables us to design a concept and then to have alternative programs and fixtures so that we can automate like a family of products rather than just one. So it gives us more flexibility, and the investment cost is much lower now than what that kind of technology was, say, 10 or 15 years ago.
Yeah. If you have to basically pick your neighbors, what type of business would you love to see setting up in Core5 Factory Village?
Well, we'd love to see businesses that have similar processes to what we do, because that will mean that you can share ideas and suppliers at times. So having a diverse community and other tenants that are run their businesses professionally and have a nice business culture, not just inside our company, but also to share our time in Vietnam.
Yeah.